ginger garlic coconut dip or ginger garlic coconut dip casserole. One of the tastiest of the ginger root recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut meat recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetable dip recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetable casserole recipes. I'm going to make ginger garlic coconut dip. We've taken around 100 grams of grated coconut, around 30 to 40 grams of ginger, 10 grams of tamarind, salt to taste, around 25 to 30 cloves of garlic, and 2 green chilies. We pour in 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the ginger and the garlic. Saute thoroughly. Put in the tamarind pieces. Saute the tamarind pieces thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Put in a spoon of chili powder, mix, thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix in the salt. Put in the grated coconut. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Keep on sauteing. Now let the mixture cool off the pan and onto the plate, and let it cool. Put in the mixture into the grinder. Close and grind well. Pour in 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in some mustard seeds and let it heat and pop. Put in the green chili, salt. Now put in the ground ginger garlic coconut mixture. Pour in 150 to 200 ml of water. Salt and mix and let this mixture boil. For 4 to 5 minutes. Ginger garlic coconut dip is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Ginger garlic coconut dip casserole or ginger garlic coconut dip, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetable recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the vegetable casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the ginger root recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut meat recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.